Hi stars! Congratulations on completing another week of at-home learning. I'm so proud of the hard work that you're doing, and I hope that you have a restful and safe spring break. I'm here to share some information from the Center for Disease Control about how coronavirus spreads and what you can do to avoid further spreading the virus. The first thing to know is the best way to prevent yourself from getting sick is to avoid being in contact with anyone who has the virus. COVID-19 spreads through person-to-person contact, and this is why it's important to stay 6 feet away from people if you have to go out in public. COVID-19 is easily spread when people are in close contact. That is why we're currently practicing social distancing. When people who have the virus cough, sneeze, or even talk, the virus can be spread through the water droplets that are in their breath.
Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. If soap and water are not available, use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Cover all your surfaces of your hands and rub them together until they feel dry. Remember to clean your hands. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after you've been in public places or after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing.
Hi guys, Miss Lee here. Something that I really want to share with you is that we all need to cover our nose and our mouth with a cloth mask whenever we're around others. This is important because even if we're not showing symptoms, we could still be spreading the bacteria. So you should wear a cloth mask, and I actually just made one with an old t-shirt that I'm not wearing anymore. What I did was I kind of cut the bottom half and voila, I created a cloth mask, okay? And this is great because you can wash it. Also, it really won't hurt your ears like the other mask because you're wrapping it around your whole head, okay? So this is super important to have because you're really protecting yourself from other people so that no one gets infected. Do not use a face mask that's meant for the healthcare workers because, as you know, there aren't enough face masks for them. So try to make these cloth masks with your family, and with one t-shirt you can actually make maybe 3 or 4 masks. The last thing is to continue to keep about 6 feet between yourself and others, okay? Because this does not substitute for social distancing. This doesn't mean, oh, I have a cloth mask on, I'm just gonna go everywhere I want to. No, actually, you really should only be leaving if you need to go to the grocery store, but even for that, try to stay home and find other ways to get things delivered. Okay, so again, these cloth masks are not substituting social distancing. They're just protecting you in case you are around others.
Cover coughs and sneezes. If you're in a private setting and do not have on your cloth face covering, remember to always cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze, or use the inside of your elbow. Throw used tissues in a trash. Immediately wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not readily available, clean your hands with a hand sanitizer that consists of at least 60% alcohol. Clean and disinfect. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces daily. This includes tables, doorknobs, light switches, countertops, handles, desks, phones, keyboards, toilets, faucets, and sinks. If surfaces are dirty, clean them. Use detergent or soap and water prior to disinfection.